Hello and welcome to another update video on HBAR. So the HBAR chart continues to push higher. The blue scenario remains the preferred one, and there is no rejection from the resistance around 28 cents. As I explained to you before, if we are really in the if we were in the white scenario, we might get a fairly strong rejection around that area. There are few reasons why this is the case. Hold on, let me just adjust here some fib levels. First of all, the larger degree, 138% extension is in this area, and that is just a level that the price already reacted to a few times, especially in March, and then we had this as a kind of an area of trade in December 24 and January this year. In addition to that, obviously on the way up, if this is an ABC structure as shown in yellow, then there's also around 28, 29 cents, an absolute key level. That, I mean, the price reacted to it already last week, but it's not really a full-scale rejection. We didn't break any support levels that we are, by the way, tracking on the smaller time frames. So there's also an additional level there, as I said, the 138% extension on the smaller time frame or smaller degree target based on this ABC structure. And so, yeah, we are at that level now. Price hasn't really fully reacted to it, which is good. I mean, again, the blue scenario is the preferred interpretation, and we see it push higher overall. The next upside targets are 33 cents and then 39 cents. So, yeah, I leave the 33-cent level on the chart just because it is a relevant one, at least here for the smaller degree structure, and then 39 cents will be the next ideal target above. But then overall, if it's really the blue count, we want to see it get towards 66 cents. Surely higher is always possible. As I say, I need to mention that because a lot of new people are coming into the space, obviously. So it's important to be very much aware of that. So don't think that these are necessarily maximum targets, but see them more like checkpoints or milestones. It would also take a break, I think, below this breakout point. There was this breakout point here in May. The price broke above that key level. But so far, we haven't really broken back below it. So that's great. Yeah, holding above such a level is helpful. That was the level here at around 22.5 cents. So you see that the bulls broke above it here, on the 13th of July, and then retested from above. And now we just see that upside continuation, which is very, very helpful and constructive. Now, let's now take a look at the shorter time frame as well. Let me open the shorter time frame chart here. So HBAR. And you can see that the market is pushing higher. And I mean, based on what we see in the entire sector, it seems like we might get another direct upside extension higher. I'm just pointing out here the potential that if we come down now, this might just be a B-wave top. But surely we might see the market grind higher. And that is just another extension, which could take the price. As I said, I will add that fib level here as well to 33 cents next. Okay, 33 cents, and then 39. And it would be possible to say then that this wave 4 might have bottomed already, right? So wave 4 here. Okay. I don't believe that we've topped in a B wave, but it's entirely possible that we're forming a broader wave 4 before upside continuation. But that being said, it would require a break below the last swing low to confirm that. So I would need to see a break below round about 26.5 cents to suggest the move down has started here in this wave 4. And actually, it seems, at the moment at least, if we look at the entire sector, it looks a little bit more likely that we have already bottomed in this wave 4. Yeah, also, because honestly, this move to the upside doesn't really look like an ABC structure. So, I mean, even if this is a B wave, it might be something like that. And then this C wave of wave B could even extend a little bit higher. So I find it quite probable that we've already bottomed there. And if we have, then this would be a reasonable scenario here to see the price go higher. Yeah. Basically, all that means is that as long as the market is now holding above this, it's not the intraday low, the Sunday low. at 26.5 cents, we might be on a direct path higher. It's just quite choppy, quite messy. It's not as aggressive and doesn't really look as if we get that volume that we see on other charts, but momentum is still up. And yeah, the 26.5 cent level, you could see it as a pivot that helps us distinguish between bullish and bearish momentum. So yeah, that's the update on HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on X for additional updates. I leave the link in our video description. You can find a lot of additional updates, videos, and everything on here. Follow us for more updates. And also, a quick reminder, with the increase in volatility and upside movements in the altcoin sector, the increase in euphoria, there are a lot of scammers around, so impersonators. Again, just a few things to remember. We would never send you a direct message on social media. Very important. We will never contact you directly, also not on our Discord server. Yeah, we will never ask you for money. We don't offer copy trading. So please, 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 when you become a member, read through our read first section, watch the spam warning. Okay, very important. We also have a blog article on our website, mcoglobal.com, that helps you understand the scams that are around, because we would never ask you for money outside of the membership fee if you join as a member, but nothing in terms of, we don't offer, we don't invest your money for you. Yeah, we don't trade for you. It's very, very important. I just want to be proactive here. Okay, that's the update. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.